Hear this song. Na 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 da na 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 da na 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 da na 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 da na 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 ta 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 na 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 Rama 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 Govinda Madhava Hari Vasudeva Narayana Radha Vallabha Vrindavana Chandra Sita Vallabha Ayodhya Ramachandra Rama Raghava Madhusudana Gopi Vallabha Padmanabha Vamana Sri Vikrama Hrishikesha Sri Rama Krishna Damodara Keshava Reddy Rama 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 Let the bonds of desire persevere eagerly, in such a spirit. Free yourself from all the attachment, turn the mind from all sensual objects. Strive ceaselessly, resting the senses, calm the mind, fix it on the self. Enter into nirvikalpa samadhi, enjoy the peace of the nature. Rama 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 Hold fast to the lamp of Dharma, entertaining thoughts of love, allay the flames of lust, greed and become the physician of the soul. Soar high in the realms of bliss, behold unity has cosmic vision. Blessed is he who has realized oneness, happy is he who knows his own self. Rama 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 This is song of Durial Sadhana. Here, just here. Durial Sadhana, my dear children. Durial Sadhana. Sadhana, 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 Sadhana. Durial Sadhana, my dear children. Durial Sadhana. Suna pyare mohana. Suna Mohana, 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 do real sadhana, my dear children, do real sadhana, 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 to free yourself from the content and enjoy the highest bliss. I will tell you the surest way, kindly hearken me that can. Do real sadhana, my dear children, do real sadhana, to free yourself from the content and acquire first sadhana, then proceed to feed the Sadguru. After having Shravan and Manan, then do practice Nidhyasan. Do real sadhana, my dear children, do real sadhana. Sadhana, 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 sadhana. Remove first the old Vedas by repeating Shivoham Bhavana. Then remove the veil avaran. You can rest now in your own room. Do real sadhana, my dear children, do real